Hello boys and girls, today we are working on lesson 76 in our Saxon math book, and it says to draw a 7 centimeter line segment. 7 centimeters. Congruent means the same, so it's going to be 7 centimeters. And if I want to convert that to millimeters, we're thinking 7 centimeters is just millimeters with tens. So it would be 7 tens, which is 70 millimeters. The movie begins at 6:45. It is a 2-hour movie. So 6, 7, 8. 8:45, and you're going to stay in the PM. Draw a line graph for the following temperatures. Well, January 17th, it was 5 degrees. The 18th, it was 20 degrees. The 19th, it was -10. Oh my. The 20th, it was 37. So you'll notice that I'm putting it close to the 40, but not on the 40. And 21st is 12. So I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to go close to the 10, but not quite on it. And I'm just looking at this pattern. It goes up, down, up, down. That's a pretty line graph, isn't it? On what date was the temperature the lowest? Well, if I'm looking at this graph and I see that the lowest temperature was -10, so that would be on the 19th. You could actually say January, or January is your first month, so you could say 119. Use these digit cards to make the following numbers. The largest number, you're going to start from the greatest and go down to your least. Your smallest number is least to greatest. So it's 963 and 369. Measure the line segments using millimeters. So my oblique is 6 and halfway, so it would be 6 tens plus 5 ones, so that's 65 millimeters. My vertical is going up and down, so if I start here, it would be 4 tens, so 40 millimeters. And my horizontal line would be 5 tens, or 50 millimeters. So what would the perimeter be? So if I label this 65, 40, and 50, oops, 50, what would my answer be? Well, there's a 5 in the ones place. 6 plus 4 is 10, plus 5 more is 15. 15 millimeters. So 155 millimeters. Fill in the missing factors. This is basically your division. I know it doesn't look like division, but that's what you will be doing. What is 14 divided by 2? Well, how many 2's go into 14? 7 times 2 equals 14. Does that make sense? I'm going to let you do the rest on your own. Complete the patterns. Well, it's getting larger by 25s. This one is getting smaller, so we are subtracting, and the only thing that's changing is the tens place, and it's going down by 1 10. And that concludes today's lesson.